How did I not learn this before? A brilliant trick I learned from an Italian friend. To start today's recipe, we're going to need 2.5 cups of milk. We're going to add half a cup of water. And then we'll add 250 grams of pasta. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emma Johnson from Miami, Florida. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Notice that the milk is slowly starting to thicken. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm sure you're going to be surprised by the final result, and you'll want to make this often. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I learned this secret from the owner of a 5-star restaurant, and I never ate pasta any other way after that. Now I'll add some mozzarella cheese. The amount is up to you. Use as much as you like. If you want, you can also add other types of cheese, like Parmesan or cheddar. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. In another pan, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Add 200 grams of bacon. I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me after you try it. Using a spatula, stir while frying. Add 1 chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves. I'm certain this will become part of your routine, just like it became part of mine. This is the secret that big restaurant owners don't want you to find out. I started saving so much on lunch after learning this. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Look how beautiful it's getting, and you can't even imagine how good it smells. If you don't believe this pasta recipe is as amazing as I say, try making it at home and then come back to tell me what you think. It's a perfect option for busy days. It's so easy that it's ready in less than 30 minutes. This is exactly how it should look. Transfer the bacon to a plate. That's where we'll build our dish. My family asks me to make it almost every day. Finally, add the pasta we prepared earlier. It's so good you won't be able to eat just a little. I learned this trick from my Italian friend, who told me this is his favorite way of eating pasta.